What's up, girl? Okay. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different, but an idea I've had for a little bit now. Just gonna try it out. This might get some views, it might not. I don't really care. For those who are interested, they will look this up. It's very specific. But anyway, as you can just see, we just pulled up to the truck. I'm on vacation this week, but I have a case of water I have to drop off. So what today's video is gonna entail is just a quick little equipment tour. It's gonna be looking at the truck. It's gonna be looking at the trailer a little bit. We'll do a quick walk around inside and out for those who are interested. What, you know, if they might be coming over this company, what a truck could look like for that individual, some of the options that Sweet has with their equipment, and so on and so forth. But with all that being said, I'm gonna get out real quick. I had to get some essentials, cop some freshies, but I have a case of water for here, one for the house, because I was getting low. I usually go grocery shopping once a week, but I'm gonna close this for now so nobody steals my shit. Here we go. This is my girl. 9609. Here's the inside. I'm just gonna put the windows down real quick because it's hot as balls in here.
The temperature was 89 degrees with sunny skies in Lehigh Valley.
So, here we are. This is what I got. This is my truck number. 9609. Same truck I've had the entire time here with Sweet. I've been here a year now. The trucks are solid. It's 2019 Kenworth T680. White. All their trucks that Sweet gets are white. Good running truck. I do not spend a lot of time broken down. I run a lot more than I'm sitting. Obviously in this thing I put just about 100,000 miles on it in the past year, and I'm home every single weekend. I run like 2,500 miles ish a week. Sometimes last couple weeks I've been getting like closer to 2,800 miles and still home on Fridays, and I still leave out on Mondays for anyone who's curious about that. But it is a good truck. It's fantastic. It's never let me sit. I had to go in the shop a couple times, but just for little things here and there, tires, wear items, basic maintenance stuff. But the def level sensor did go on it inconveniently, had a engine derate, and so I had to get that fixed. That set me back a little bit. I think I made a video about that. But yeah, this is her here. Pop the hood, get a quick look at that. A little dirty. Usually I try to get the truck washed once a month, but haven't gotten around to it. Just been running so crazy. Hood popped. This one has a Cummins X15. Run of the mill. This one in particular, my truck just rolled like 428,000 miles. She's rock solid though. I mean, that's nothing for a big truck. That is nothing. Yep, red top Cummins. For use that are thinking about joining, you will probably get a Kenworth. You may get an International LT, or you may get a Freightliner Cascadia. We have all three here at Sweet. Most of them have the Cummins. I think if you get a Freightliner, you might get a DD15 at Detroit. Can't speak to those. I never had one. Like I said, I've had this truck the entire time I've been here. It's been rock solid. Yeah, runs great. No issues. Damn, I keep forgetting to put washer fluid in it. I'll do it maybe after the video. Rock solid, man. Yeah, just a CX15 Cummins. No, they all look the same. Thing's solid, man. Thing's solid. Should probably fire it up, charge the batteries a little bit. It's been sitting for a couple days, or more than a couple days now. I just got back from Myrtle Beach. I took the entire week off. I've been with Sweet, like I said, about a year now, and I haven't taken a vacation. This is my first actual vacation using the vacation pay. So I'm pretty excited about that, but I just got back and I wanted to drop off a case of water for the truck because I was getting low. So yeah, that's my girl. They come in automatics or manual. This particular specimen is an auto. It's a newer one. It's a 12-speed auto. Runs fantastic. I love it. I threw my own CB radio in it. Some of them may come with it if maybe a driver left it, but I don't think they come with them from the factory, or I don't think Sweet has them optioned from the factory, I should say. Yeah, kind of basic. All the stuff you need, nothing you don't. You know, automatic or manual. I think there is a waiting list for an automatic if you want one. We are in the process of getting new equipment. We've had new equipment on order, trucks and trailers. But there's like a nationwide shortage of everything, as everybody knows. Supply and demand issues, supply chain woes. It's just not been great. So I think we ordered like 100 and like we got 2 of them so far. So it is what it is. So there may be a waiting list for automatics if that's what you want or if that's what you need. But we have both. Just call Mr. Nick, call somebody in recruiting and find out the latest and greatest whenever you view this. I don't know. We do not have forward-facing cameras. We just have one facing outwards. There's none of them facing the driver. As you can see, no camera facing me. That's a big plus for a lot of people. Yeah, man. Our trucks run 68 on the cruise and 70 on the pedal. That's another big question I get a lot in some of my videos. Let's come back here to the back in the sleeper area. It's a little dark. Oh, my overhead light's not working at the moment because I got to start the truck up. Excuse the bed. I took all of my sheets and pillowcases off. Everything's getting washed at the moment. But yeah, you know, got a TV, got a microwave. This is my personal microwave. There's our refrigerators down here. You know, whatever, just refrigerator. Yeah, this is my girl. This is where I live. This is my home away from home. We have Samsara ELD systems. Work great, no complaints there. I've never used a Samsara before. It's easy to work with. You learn about it in orientation. Don't be sweating that. And yeah, let me start this thing up because it's been sitting a couple days. I'm getting a low voltage disconnect warning light, so it's basically just like, yo, start it up, please. See what this is all about.
Chance of rain 50%.
Get rid of that. Ugh, didn't like that. It's been sitting, you know, for a good number of days here, so. But we'll let it run a little bit, charge up the batteries. In the meantime, we can take a walk back to the outside, get into the final look at the inside of my truck. Terrible town, go Steelers. Yeah, man, Jesus fucking rock solid. I don't know what else to say about it. Keep it basic, keep it simple in this video. Put up my sidebox here. Down here, my inverter, 2000. It's my push broom for the trailer. Some extra stuff down here, coolant, oil, extra straps, bolt cutters, trailer seals, just in case I need them, glad hand lock, you know, shit like that. Nothing super exciting. Got back up. These are trailers. This is a Wabash. We have a lot of Hyundai Trans leads. This one's a Wabash, so I think it's a little bit older. Yeah, it's a 2016. They're all the same though. Go watch my hot rod there, buddy. Rock solid. Good tires. Aluminum. Wabash. Most of them have the aero skirts. Sweet, man. Nothing really too much to say about the trailers. Fucking trailers. Do a ton of drop hook here. I've never really had any serious trailer issues. But what's going on there? Take a look at that. But yeah, they're solid fucking trailers. Who gives a shit, right? As long as the tires have air and all the lights work and all that, inspection's good. Walk around the back. This particular one's at 7270. I recommend for everybody. Get you a weatherproof, waterproof master lock. I always have the key around my neck. Never take a chance on any of the freight that we carry. A lot of it's just like nonsense and garbage. I haul a ton of garbage, but I always just, it's good practice. Just just in case. Get you an all weatherproof lock on there. She is. This one's a little bit older, so it's got a little cosmetic damage, but still operates just fine. Good running machine. Yeah, little issues there, whatever. Truck's good. Good tires. Every time we go to Grand Rapids, if you stay there overnight in Grand Rapids, Mr. Dino, who works for Sweet, does a walk around. If he notices any tires that need replacing, you don't have to ask him. He'll just get them swapped out for you in the morning before you leave out. Shout out to Dino, fantastic, love that. Trucks have APUs as well. Kenworth, man, what you can really say about it? It's a truck, does its job, works great, love this thing, rock solid. This isn't going to be too fancy of a video, but just for all that yep. So I build up some air pressure here. There we go. It's been sitting a while, like I said, so I've got to refill the tanks up and everything. She is pre-pass, elite pass, you know, all that, easy pass, the whole nine. Yeah, man, this is it. 427, 463. So I was a little high when I guesstimated. I couldn't really remember. I knew it was right around there, 427, 428, whatever. But some of the trucks are a little bit older, may have a little bit higher mileage, but they're all very well maintained depending on what you get. I talked about it in the last video, but I had a referral who signed up. He's been working there for about a month now. He's OTR. He got International LT. It only had like 200, maybe a $250,000, maybe like 250, 230. I'm not really sure mileage wise, but they really went through the truck front to back and they replaced a lot of stuff on it. And I say that because like again like I mentioned earlier, the issues with getting new trucks in, you know, it's been difficult for us. So the trucks that we do have on the road are really well maintained. So if you get one with a little bit higher mileage, don't be too concerned about it. My truck's been rock solid. I have another referral who just started. He lives out by Chicago. He just got a Kenworth with a 10-speed manual. I think it has like 700,000 or so miles on it, but he says the things run fantastic. The shifting is nice and tight. Everything works the way it should. It's been, you know, rock solid. So yeah, I have no complaints at all. The equipment here is fantastic. Even if there is an issue, you usually just call the repair and they usually point you in the right direction. They'll tell you, all right, come back through, or we'll get you set up at a Love's or whatever, you know, get a repair done out if you're out on the road somewhere, not near Michigan. But yeah, man, like I said, I've been in this same truck for the amount of time I've been here at Sweet. I haven't been, you know, seat slipping or anything like that. Put almost 100,000 miles on the thing, and it's been perfect. No complaints with this truck at all. I love it. Works hard, I work hard, so it's a good thing. CB. What else can you really say about it? What else can we really say about it? Yeah, inverters, I talked about APU, I talked about fridge, microwave, TV, all talked about it, I mentioned all those things. Yeah, anyway, sorry, this is kind of out of the norm. I was just driving by, and like I said, I had to drop off that case of water for the truck here, so that's the only reason I'm doing this. I'm still on home time. I won't be heading out for another couple days or so. Just came back from Myrtle Beach. I'm actually thinking about moving down there. We'll see. I'm gonna get all my ducks on the line here, get out of Pennsylvania. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, drop them down below. If you're new, consider subscribing. Drop a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. It'd be very helpful. Helps the video if you reach more people. And yeah, any questions, reach out. I'm always available. I make myself available. So until next time, everybody, it's been real. Stay safe. God bless. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.